to watch the sunset. So cool. Oh, my face is so pinky today. Oh, come on, splash! Come on, splash! So we've just left Tanjung Aru, and now we're on our way to have our dinner, of which we don't know where, because the last time we came here there was a food court right over that side. That was about maybe 2 years back, 3 years back. I think it's 2 years, 3 years maybe. Here I think it was here, but it has already closed down, so I'm not sure where else we're supposed to go. So we're going. We've just ordered. What did we order? Chicken butter. Chicken what? Butter what? Not butter from butter chicken, yeah. And then we ordered soto goreng tepung, which is squid. Oh my god, what is it? Floured squid. What do you call it? Apa? Squid apa? Squid in fried squid in batter and kailan ikan masin. I'm trying to use this new camera of mine. I'm not sure how it is, but it looks good. My old camera, not to say that it's old, but I don't have the split screen, so I can't see myself. Some hot soup to tide us over. My bad, it was not squid fried in batter, but it's actually salted egg fried with squid. Let's give it a shot. Perfectly cute white rice. It's the type of rice that's really low grade, but it's okay. Some really pale looking butter prawns. Hopefully it's good. Food porn moment. Kailan ikan masin, or salted fish with kailan. Kailan is the name of a vegetable. It's so good. So good. Tonight we're having durian and monkeys. or mangosteen. So cute.